My mom is currently at home, and I'm taking care of her, and it's probably a little bit more than I can handle. I know she's not quite ready for, a nursing home. Is there any alternatives that you can think of that I can get some extra help at home to look after her?
Frank, that is a great question. For that, I'm going to turn to Amy O'Rourke and see if she might answer it for us. What do you think for Frank's situation, Amy?
Well, the first thing that comes to mind, Frank, is I would want your mother to get on the waiting list for Medicaid in-home services. There is a program in the state of Florida where you can get anywhere from 5 to 30 hours a week of free care at home once you qualify. But there is a waiting list, so I recommend people get in the queue. In the waiting list, there's a priority score that you're assigned, so it's not how long you've been on the waiting list, but how sick you are and how difficult it might be to access caregivers. So you could get on the waiting list and come off the waiting list in a month or two rather than the 12 months average that we've seen out there, depending on what your priority score is. And I don't know if you're going to ask me about the priority score, but I think I'll tell you about it. You can get a 5, 4, 3, 2, or 1, 5 being the highest. So that would be the first step that I would want you to take.
Well,
Amy is can I
go ahead, Frank?
Can I go to Amy for this? Can I go to Amy for this help?
I would want you to. 407-896-2010. We would be happy to help you get on that waiting list. Yes, Frank.